This is an edible palm oil, red oil. So you look at the down, you see that it's solid and the upper one is liquid. So we're going to use the down one, which is solid, to make a hair cream or to make a fat that we use for our hair, our body, and also for either soap making. So it's going through the bleaching process now. You just put it in the fire and put the lime, which is optional, and then you test with the white paper. When you see that it's just brownish on the white paper, you just know that it is okay. Then this is it when it's cold. Then you have to filter it. Either use a cheesecloth or sieve or filter, anything that will give you a fine filtrate. So this is what I have after everything. And after leaving it for some hours, you'll find out that it is solid. So this is the outcome. This is it. So you can use it for any other thing that is demanded for. My fat, look at it, look at it, look at it.